Usaan mo naka-best na lahat and hindi malaman mangyayari, what would you do? Hindi ba dapat ang sagot mo, ma'am, sir, I'll go there, I'll make sure you'll help?
That's what I was expecting him to say. When Senator Lauren was talking to him very calmly, I said, what are you gonna do about this? Pinuputukan kami dito. Sabi niya, hindi kami makalapit, pinalis nyo kami dyan. Sabi ko, well then do your job, make us safe, this is not good. Ma'am, huwag mo ako sigawan. Yun lang ang masasabi mo sa akin. Pinuputukan kami, sasabihin mo sa akin, huwag kitang sigawan. Sumisigaw ako dahil mataas ang emotions.
So, I'll give everyone context. 4 senators got tips 30 minutes ago while we were talking na umalis na dito kasi may mangyayari. So, yung isa kapwa senador, yung iba kung sino-sino nagsabi. So, the emotions are high here because bakit kami paalisin? We're waiting for the articles of impeachment and we're having a meeting. Nasabi lang dadating na. So, again, no? Kung sino nakikinig from the government, this is the Senate of the Philippines. We are allegedly under attack. The Sergeant of Arms has confirmed na may putukan na dito. So please, kung sinong nanonood, sinong nakikinig, we expect yung tawagan namin would understand the emotions here and will say we'll do something about it. No? So the rest, mga nasa Senate, turn off the lights, stay low. Kung may active shooters, follow the protocols. Kung may putukan na at lahat ng staff mo at yung mga